Watch out to Peter Boyd aphethe sengaphakathi inside nonke nimazi nekaqhamuka bafethu kujabula umama kujabula ubaba kujabula ugogo kujabula nje ngisho nesilwane zonke ezike nje ngiphakame ikhoma bafethu niyazi ukuthi maqhamuka mina just a question and answer into niyazi ngifika sekunjalo bafethu okay ngizontsho namhlanje sigcwele eGalfontein yonke sikhona around yonke iGalfontein siyeza nawe lapha ekhasi lakho nawe Sophia ekhasi lakho nawe ngelini mhlawumbe ufike ekhasi lakho uyabona sikuvimbe ekhasi lami esikhulume nawe so kunjalo bafethu sithezwe abasambeni sebafuna bafethu Wathathi Jupiter Boyd aphethe sengaphakathi inside nonke nimazi baqhamuka nephakamile athi phakamile iqhamuka kujabula umama kujabula ubaba kujabula ugogo nginifathele kubhuthethu namhlanje nginifathele into encane niyazi maqhamuka mina just a question answer inkoni yazi masimpela okay la sawona bhuti njani
Right, bhuti yami kunjani?
hayi ngiyaphela ngicela ukwazi igama la bhuti
Benson Tele.
siyabonga ubhuthethu Benson Tele sokwazi ukuhlala kuphi mhlambe
Mina ngitshala lapha kumama mfundisi.
Gafontein Station 2
Station 2.
Okay, anjile bafethu seGafontein Station 2 bhuti la ngicela ukubuza ukuthi angithi la ngaphandle kunabantu abafisayo ukuthi nabo mhlawumbe bathola ama-police jobs nani bathi bakwazi mhlawumbe umuntu loyo ngamtshela ukuthini ukuthi mhlawumbe like abekezele eqinisele
Okay, kuqiniseka kokhona. Umuntu wayambiza. Ungahambi phambili nekakhulu kugijimisa mali. Mara ubone ukuthi umsebenzi wakhona unjani. Ubona ukuthi mangawaphela kusebenza mangawubona umsebenzi umkhulu ungani ne mara mangawafaka injizoni yakho yonke kuke yaba yilula isure
anizwile bafethu kuthenje ibekezele ungathi ngijimisa imali kodwa ngeke uzophumelela so bhuti sicela ukwazi mhlawumbe into yenza ukuthi uyakha mhlawumbe uwenza amathasi into ekanje wenza yini mhlawumbe
mina niyeza kuyakha
yebo
kufaka amatayilini
okay
kufaka paving ya khona lokho nje izinto sami zakuyenza
okay nizwile-ke bafethu makuthi nidinga izinto ezikanjena bo-paving ukwakha into kanje wozani la station 2 nizomthola kubhuti Benson uzofika kwenzela izinto zakho zibe perfect nonke niyazi ukuthi kusakhona mina sasemnandi kusenjalo just ukuthi into emele ngisho ukuthi peace
bafethu PC Boyd avutshasi bafethu niyazi masifikile bafethu siye ngodabula umnandi ngodabula iphuma Monday to Friday bafethu ngicela sicolele ngokuthatha isikhathi sethu bafethu singanikhiphela izinto la ngiphethe umama ukhuluma isonga ngizokhuluma naye isonga bafethu ngoba nazi mangene mina ngenanga ngoba kuthini ngena ngokuthi manje kumele ngichange language bafethu kunjani makhwami
right
nami ni right whatever these days kunabana batidlayako ungaranza ku rika bo
abana va tidlaya ku kula u tivaka swa ku va tidlaya va za va tidlaya hikwalaho ka yini
okay bafethu njengoba nizwile bafethu kunabantwana abazibulalayo maye mamfuna ukwazi ukuthi ngendaba zani okay makhe maybe n'wana lweyi a ti byela xokwini anga imhaka vatswari ya va nga kona ende vanhu lava nga sala na vo va mihlukumeza va nga rhandza ku ri ka yena
hi nga rhandza swa ku ewe swa ku a lava nga sala na vona Nkulunkulu a endla leswaku va n'wi khoma kahle a n'wana luya a va mbila yi nga khunguvanyeki loko a tshamile
okay bafethu njengoba nizwile bafethu thembela kuNkulunkulu mhlambe la uzoncedeka mara mina ngizoncedeka danko wasingayivalo.
What's up guys, it's your boy Petty sisengaphakathi inside nonke nimazi maqhamuka mina kujabula wonke umuntu okay bukani guys ngiphathele manje munye ubhoti sawubona bhoti njani hola ngiyaphila ngicwazi igama ngibaba wenza thank you bafethu nizwile igama yilona nje njengoba elishilo bhoti la ngicela ukubuza just a question eyi-1 siyabantu lesambe sibuza ama-questions so like ungathini kumuntu ofisayo ukuthi naye agqoka abe muhle njenganawe into ekanje
phana ngeke ngisho okuningi ukuthi vuka ugeze ubangene bamba
danke
sure
nje kuthiwa vuka ugeze ubangene ubangena baphakathi inside nawe bakubona uma ugezile okay but ngicela ukubuza ukuthi mhlawumbe mase kufuna ko-YouTube ko-TikTok singasithola kanjani
phana wonke ama-social media platform abuwela SV ngizongibamba ntana yiwo wonke
njengoba nizwile bafethu hambani niyomsearcha lapha TikTok YouTube yonke into nizomthola bafethu ningasabi umfollower nimsubscribele yonke into bafethu
and ngiyadropa bafethu July next month ngisadropa soon like naseyale ngizobona ngiyadropa nentwana yami Steve yebo sure
senzile bafethu ningamisi just like do it around the corner kuyadwala so hambani gijimani yobani khona mfethu tanko Say chupito foida phethu sengaphakathi inside niyazi maqhamuka mina phakathi iqhamuka kujabula mama kujabula baba kujabula gogo nesilwane esendlini niyazi ukuthi mangiqhamuka ukuthi question answer like go okay bafethu namhlanje ngiphathele ubhuti sabona bhuti njani bhuti ngiyaphila ngicela ukwazi igama Sipho ubhuti Sipho bafethu nimbonela ubhuti ethu Sipho simthwala lapha session 23 so bhuti ngicela ukubuza before ngikubuza le question ukuthi mhlambe yini into okwazi ukuyenza like italent lakho
mina ngiyadrowa ibhola yeah
Nizwileka bafethu uyadraw ibhola mafuna umuntu azodraw washo ukuthi kumele ufike lana e23 thola ubhutweni uSipho uzonishayela into so bhuti ukubuza mhlawumbe unayo what do you call it TikTok abo Facebook kanje
Facebook yeah TikTok ngizothi manje ngiyivula
yeah sicela igama phela masivulile
icall SK
okay bafethu okay manithole isikhathi ungene lapha ku TikTok ubhale SK uzomthola ubone lama drawings akho ukujabula okay so bhuti naye imbuzo yakho ukuthi makuthi mhlambe kukhona umuntu ofisayo naye umuntu yakwazi ukudraw lapha ekhaya but manje uyafisa ukuthi izinto zakhe zibonakale yabo mhlawumbe ungathini lo muntu lo
maybe angazithatha like aziphoste izinto ezinjalo
okay nizile bafethu into easy ukuthi thatha izinto zakho uziposte abantu bazozibona nje so shout out to station 23 sibonga ubhuti Sipho artist lane bafethu ningasabi ukufika lana nizomfuna nizomthola nje uhlale khona bafethu uzondrawela so danko hala first Eyo YouTube this is a boy that phethu siniyazi maqhamuka mina sijabula wonke umuntu nawe utazojabula khululeka okay bafethu manje ngiphathela ubhuti la yabona manje ubhuti uzoliphathela okuthe xaxa kancane ukuthi okuba kunengana ke sabona bhuti njani
ola phethu
ngiyaphila bhuti ngicela ukwazi igama mhlawumbe
bangibiza Coast but uDaniel igama lami efumani
nizwileka bakwethu njengoba selishila igama ngicela ukuthi lelo gama ngathi ungaliseva kwi-diary yakho ngoba into ezozisho la awuzozidinga bhuti ngaphambi kokuthi sibuzo okuningi ngicela uqala ukubuza ukuthi mhlambe into oyenzayo ngasekhaya yini mhlambe uyacula kanye into kanjalo mhlambe umdlalo webhola into ethini ngayo
yeah mina ngi-vocalist and a producer I make music yeah
abafethu ungaphuthela kubhuti nizwile ukuthi utheni i-vocalist i-producer mawudinga one of izinto lezo bafethu wozani nizomthola uzonitshela yena ukuthi nimthola kanjani bhuti mhlawumbe sikufuna ko-YouTube wo-TikTok into kanje mhlawumbe zakuthola kanjani
yeah at D-Coast la yeah it's D-Coast it's DEH/Coast coast is in like coast njalo
nizwileke bafethu gijimani-ke nomseshi ningayiqedile video ningamseshile nimfollowe maku-YouTube nimsubscribele nikwenze konke nilike yonke into bafethu ukuze ngingezukuphuthela okulandelayo okay bhuti la ngicela ukubuza njengoba sazi ukuthi kunabantu nabo la ngaphandle abafisa ukuthi bafike kulezi zinga lakho ukuthi nabo bacule mhlawumbe bhuti ba-produce izinto mhlawumbe ungathini labo bantu abangakwazi ukuzenzela ungathini mhlawumbe labo
yeah if you want to be an artist like the most prominent artist in the game don't focus mostly on music only. Find something else that is going to make money for you so that you'll be able to pay your studio time. If you're not a producer, if you're a producer, then you have to buy the equipment. But first of all, you have to have people around you, especially if you are still at school, because you might not be able to work because you're still at school, So create a team. There might be a producer in your team, a vocalist in your team, someone who can organize events. So team up. Because they might not have a computer, my friend might have a computer. So it's going to take care of the part of producing our music. And then me, I'm a vocalist that connects people. And then we create a dance group. Then we grow until we have the space enough to be able to work. If now we are working, fine, we can buy proper stuff now. Yeah.
Abafethu njengoba nizwileke bafethu ningaphuthela uyanitshela ubhuti uthi yenza njalo lalelisisa amagama akhe mhlawumbe ukuthi khona ukuphetshile iphinde le video uzo-understanda ukuthi izinto ezikanje nokutholakala kanjani nanani so bhuti ngicela ukubuza le question before sihamba ukuthi mhlawumbe bhuti nawe abantu yabasiza like njengoba uthi uyi-producer angafika umuntu wena mhlawumbe yakhokhe nicule ingoma kanje
yeah but then now I have a little bit of a computer crashing problem but after that yeah anyone can come and record. But I mean, as a producer who has an understanding of young artists, I sometimes when I see that you have a talent, I cannot push you too much and say pay me this amount of money because I like promoting good artists. Like I'm not saying that people should not come because they cannot sing. No. I teach them sometimes, but I also try not to push them towards money too much, simply because if you're still in school, you might just forget music and give up simply because you don't have money. So sometimes I just record young artists for free.
Ngizwile bafethu angimlethela into emnandi ke namhlanje wozane ke ngizomthola ubhoti njengoba eshilo msetsheni ko TikTok nakubo ngizomthola yonke into so bafethu niyazi ukuthi asikayi fast sathe nje peace.